My story is called I'm Still Here. I'm persuaded, had it not been for the Lord on my side, I would not be here right now. I was only 2 years old when the enemy came into my little life like a flood to destroy me. After all, the devil is no respecter of person. He'll go after you even in your mother's womb. I'm grateful for God for always over and over my life. I pray for the families at the sound of my voice that you will seek the face of God Almighty for the children that you're about to bring into this world. Pray for the right mate. Pray for the right timing to bring forth this precious child into this world. Don't live to regret your decision. Do not decide for yourself. Put God in everything that you do, that your life, the life of your children, your life of your family will be a successful one because God would be the author and the finisher of your life.